Hello friends, in today's video, we are going to cover the topic export of rice with payment of IGST. Means whether we can export the rice with payment of IGST and claim the refund thereof. If yes, then what should be the maximum size of the package in which the rice is required to be packed? We all are aware that government-wide notification number 6/2022 has levied 5% GST on pre-packaged and labeled commodity. Now, what is the meaning of pre-packaged and labeled? The answer to this question has been given by FAQ dated 18th July 2022. It has been specified that for a package to be pre-packaged and labeled, we have to satisfy the following conditions. Number one, the package in which the rice is packed should bear the declaration as per the Legal Metrology Act. Means if a package does not require to bear the declaration as per the LMA, then GST will not be applicable on it. Now my question to all of you is whether on export LMA is applicable. As per our understanding, LMA is not applicable on export, because in case of export, the laws and regulations and the declarations as per the import country are required to be mentioned and not as per the export country. So when LMA is not applicable, whether export of rice can be covered under the IGST route. Second condition for a package to be pre-packaged and labeled means in context of the food items like rice, flour, etc. The size of the package should be up to the 25 kg or the 25 liters. Now combining both of these conditions, it means GST will be applicable if the declarations as per the LMA are required to be mentioned on the same. Second, the size of the package is up to 25 kg. Now when LMA is not applicable on export of rice, then whether we can export it with payment of IGST and claim the refund thereof. To find the answer of this question, we refer the advance ruling held by the Haryana Authority of Advance Ruling and Chhattisgarh Authority of Advance Ruling. It has been specifically mentioned in these advance ruling orders that for a package to be exempted or nil rated, it has to be specifically mentioned in the act or the rules thereof or any notification issued by the government. When export of rice has not been excluded, it means GST will be applicable on it if the size of the package is up to 25 kg. Now, what is the effect of this advance ruling? Effect of this advance ruling is if I am a supplier to an exporter, then GST will be applicable on it if the size of the package is 25 kg, irrespective of the fact that I am not mentioning the declarations as per the LMA. Second effect is if I am an exporter and I am exporting the rice in the bags up to 25 kg, then I can export it with payment of IGST and get the refund thereof. I have not to compulsorily go under the LUT route, prepare the application, submit to the department and then get the refund. Simply I can go under the export with payment of IGST route and get the refund thereof. Now, whether any other exporter except the applicant who had sought the advance ruling in this effect take the benefit of it. Friends, advance ruling is applicable only on the applicant. It is binding only on the applicant who had sought it. So it is recommended if any other exporter wish to take the benefit of this advance ruling, they should get it in their favor to that effect. Then only they will be able to get the benefit of the same. So this was all about export of rice with payment of IGST and claiming the refund thereof. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you very much.